An inequality compares two values by showing that the values are less than, more than, or equal to each other. The symbol on the left is a greater than sign, and the symbol on the right is a greater than or equal to sign. The bigger number faces the larger opening. The symbol on the left is a less than sign, and the symbol on the right is a less than or equal to sign. The smaller number goes next to the pointed part of the arrow. If you are graphing an inequality on a number line, use an open circle for a less than or greater than sign. The open circle means that the number is not included in the answer. For example, in the first problem, x is less than 2, there is an open dot on 2, and the arrow is drawn toward all the numbers smaller than 2. In the second example, x is greater than -2, there is an open circle on -2, and the arrow proceeds to the right to indicate all of the numbers that would make the equation true. A closed dot means that the number is included as an answer. In the first example, x is less than or equal to 1, 1 is included, so it is drawn with a closed dot. The line then proceeds to the left of the 1 to indicate all of the possible values. In the second example, x is greater than or equal to 0, the 0 is filled in and the line proceeds to the right. The way that this equation is read is a is greater than -4 and a is less than or equal to +4. When you are graphing an end statement like this, you will have 2 points connected with the line. In this case, the -4 is an open dot because it isn't included, and the +4 has a closed dot because it is included. A falls in between those 2 points, so those 2 points are connected with a straight line. If you are graphing an OR statement like this one, a is less than -1 or a is greater than or equal to 3, you will have 2 dots with arrows moving away from both of them. This is because the answer is either one thing or the other, but it cannot be both. If you are going to solve an algebraic inequality, use the same steps as you would use on a regular algebra problem. However, if you divide or multiply by a negative number, you must flip the sign of the inequality. In this equation, you would subtract 6 from both sides, which would give you 3x is greater than 6. Divide both sides by 3, giving x is greater than 2. In the second equation, still subtract 6 from both sides, giving -3x is greater than 6. Since you now need to divide both sides by -3 to get rid of it, you must flip your inequality as well. This will give you x is less than -2.